one last video in this series today. So we put on color correcting tinted moisturizer in medium. We did the Cocoa LipSense with the glossy gloss. We did the bronzing blush and the chocolate cherry blush on top, mixed with the pearlizer for a little bit of luminosity and glow. I did the light concealer over here. We got the Candlelight ShadowSense over here. We did the Lapis eyeliner, the mascara, the Americano as the crease color, and now if you look really closely or any of those videos, we've got some funky hair going on, alright? So I want to introduce you to the fabulous hairspray. They now have hair care products and I really do love them. The hairspray is lightweight, so we've got all these little flyaway new growth, right? So you can do this and then try to make those kind of sit down a little bit and then fluff. So I'm all about the fluffing of the hair, right? Not my best hair day, but you know what? I don't have to go out because we're dealing with the virus and we're quarantined. So what are you gonna do, right? So using the hairspray is actually better than not using the hairspray. It actually has benefit to the hair. Ooh, we got some funky strands going on. All right, so you can see it has some hold to it. Got some funkiness. It'll help me let those new little growth hairs lay down. I know I got something funky going over there. Anyways, so now I look fabulous, but I have nowhere to go because we're quarantined. Anyways, guys, I hope that these videos are bringing some entertainment to your world as you might be quarantined. And if we're done with the March 2020 situation, then maybe you'll find some entertainment in us all entertaining ourselves. Anyways, thank you for joining. Ask me any questions you've got. If you need to do some ordering or want to do some ordering, we always appreciate the support. And you just have a fantastic day. All right, thanks, guys. Bye-bye.